Imagine planting your garden once and enjoying harvest for years without having to start over every spring. Picture stepping outside as the growing season begins and seeing familiar plants emerge from the soil on their own. Fresh shoots appear, leaves unfold, and productive crops return year after year with minimal effort. That's the beauty of perennial edible plants. Unlike annual vegetables that must be replanted every season, perennial crops establish long-lasting root systems that continue producing harvests for many years. Once settled into the garden, many become increasingly productive while requiring less maintenance over time. In this guide, we'll explore 10 outstanding perennial food crops that offer dependable harvests, beginner-friendly growing habits, and long-term value for home gardeners. Whether you have a backyard, homestead, or small suburban garden, these plants can provide food season after season while reducing the amount of work required each year. 1. Blueberries, long-lived berry bushes. With decades of harvests, blueberries are far more than a simple fruit crop. They are one of the most rewarding long-term investments a gardener can make. Once established, a healthy blueberry bush can remain productive for 40 to 60 years, providing dependable harvests every summer. Although young plants require a few years to reach full productivity, the long-term benefits are substantial. One of the reasons blueberries are so successful is their durability when grown under suitable conditions. Their primary requirement is acidic soil, ideally with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Once that need is met, they become relatively easy to care for. Mature blueberry bushes tolerate cold winters, withstand occasional dry periods, and naturally resist many common pests. With occasional pruning and a layer of mulch to conserve moisture, they continue producing reliable crops for decades. Blueberries contribute beauty to the garden throughout the year. In spring, delicate white or pale pink flowers cover the branches, attracting bees and other pollinators. During summer, clusters of berries gradually ripen into their characteristic blue color. By autumn, the foliage transforms into brilliant shades of red, orange, and crimson. For maximum yields, gardeners often plant multiple varieties together. Cross-pollination frequently results in larger berries, sweeter fruit, and improved production. By selecting early, mid, and late-season varieties, harvest can extend over several weeks. Blueberries perform well in raised beds, containers, traditional garden rows. Because their roots remain relatively shallow, mulching plays an important role in maintaining soil moisture and preserving soil acidity. As the bushes mature, they become stronger, fuller, and increasingly productive. Nutritionally, blueberries are among the healthiest fruits available. They contain antioxidants, vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds associated with overall wellness. Many gardeners are surprised by the abundance produced by mature plants. What begins as a small shrub can eventually provide bowls of fresh berries throughout the summer. Surplus harvest can be frozen, dried, baked into desserts, or transformed into jams and sauces. Blueberries also blend beautifully into ornamental landscapes, allowing gardeners to combine aesthetics with food production. Perhaps the greatest advantage is longevity. A blueberry bush planted today can continue providing harvests for decades, making it one of the most valuable perennial crops for any garden. 2. Raspberries, the self-renewing berry crop. Raspberries are renowned for their vigorous growth and ability to become increasingly productive over time. Once planted, they gradually expand through underground runners, creating larger harvests with surprisingly little maintenance. Their growth cycle is unique. Individual canes generally live for 2 years. During the first year, they focus on vegetative growth. During the second year, they produce fruit before naturally dying back. Meanwhile, the root system continually sends up fresh canes, allowing the patch to renew itself season after season. Gardeners typically grow 2 main types. Summer-bearing raspberries produce a single heavy crop during early or midsummer. Ever-bearing raspberries, also known as fall-bearing varieties, these can provide one harvest on new canes and another on the same canes the following year. Many gardeners favor ever-bearing varieties because they extend the harvest season without requiring much additional effort. Another major advantage is adaptability. Raspberries thrive in full sun but can also tolerate partial shade. While they prefer fertile soil, they are often more forgiving than many other fruit crops. They also handle cold winters exceptionally well. With routine watering and occasional pruning, raspberry plants reward gardeners with generous crops of sweet, flavorful fruit rich in vitamins and antioxidants. As the years pass, raspberry patches naturally expand. New shoots emerge from underground roots, allowing even a modest planting to evolve into a highly productive berry patch. Unlike many fruit trees that require years before producing meaningful harvests, raspberries often begin rewarding gardeners relatively quickly. This makes them particularly appealing to beginners seeking faster results. Throughout the growing season, raspberries add visual interest to the landscape. Spring brings vigorous new growth, summer delivers clusters of ripening fruit, and autumn marks the beginning of another growth cycle. Some gardeners use raspberry rows as natural privacy screens, living borders, wildlife-friendly hedges. The flowers attract pollinators, while the fruit appeals to birds and other beneficial wildlife. Good airflow is important for healthy growth, so proper spacing between rows is recommended. Many gardeners also install simple trellises or supports to keep fruit-laden canes upright. What makes raspberries especially rewarding is their generosity. A small planting can eventually produce baskets of fruit every season. Once established, raspberry patches seem to renew and expand almost effortlessly, providing reliable harvests year after year. 3. Horseradish, the nearly indestructible perennial root crop. Horseradish is one of the toughest and most dependable perennial vegetables available to home gardeners. Once planted, it requires remarkably little attention while continuing to provide flavorful harvests year after year. Known for its intense heat and sharp flavor, horseradish has long been valued for sauces, marinades, meat dishes, and homemade condiments. Its greatest strength lies underground. A powerful root system stores energy throughout the year, enabling the plant to return every spring with vigorous new growth. These thick white roots are the primary harvest and become even more flavorful after exposure to cold temperatures. Interestingly, autumn frosts often improve the quality of the roots, intensifying their pungent flavor and aroma. Horseradish is highly tolerant of cold winters, summer heat, poor soil, drought conditions, inconsistent watering. Even when neglected, it often continues growing successfully. In fact, many gardeners joke that the biggest challenge is not growing horseradish, but keeping it from spreading too far. Because the plant expands underground, it performs best in a dedicated area where it can remain undisturbed for many years. Garden borders, isolated beds, and permanent growing spaces are ideal. The harvested roots can be grated fresh, mixed into sauces, preserved with vinegar, added to spicy recipes. A small amount is usually enough to deliver its distinctive kick. One reason horseradish is so valuable is the minimal maintenance it requires. Once established, it becomes a reliable long-term food crop that demands very little attention. Its deep roots also help improve soil structure by penetrating compacted ground and increasing soil aeration over time. Above ground, horseradish produces large green leaves that create an attractive display throughout the growing season. Many gardeners are surprised by how lush and ornamental the foliage appears. Homesteaders and survival gardeners especially appreciate horseradish because of its resilience. Even when other crops struggle, horseradish often continues thriving and producing dependable harvests. Few perennial vegetables offer such an impressive combination of durability, productivity, and low maintenance. Once established, horseradish quietly continues producing flavorful roots year after year with almost no effort from the gardener. 4. Perpetual spinach, the leafy green that keeps coming back. Perpetual spinach is one of the most dependable and productive greens a gardener can grow. Although its name suggests otherwise, it isn't a true spinach. It actually belongs to the chard family, yet its flavor and culinary uses are so similar to spinach that most gardeners treat it exactly the same in the kitchen. What truly sets this plant apart is its remarkable longevity. Traditional spinach often struggles once temperatures rise, quickly bolting and requiring repeated sowings throughout the year. Perpetual spinach, however, can remain productive for 2 to 3 years, providing a reliable source of fresh greens with far less effort. Its versatility makes it a favorite among home cooks. The leaves can be used in fresh salads, soups and stews, smoothies, stir-fries, pasta dishes, sautéed vegetable recipes. Because the plant grows rapidly and recovers quickly after harvesting, It offers an almost continuous supply of edible leaves throughout the growing season. Harvesting is simple and efficient. Gardeners typically remove the larger outer leaves while leaving the center untouched. This encourages new growth from the middle of the plant, allowing repeated harvest without reducing productivity. Another reason for its popularity is its resilience. While it thrives in sunny locations with well-drained soil and regular moisture, perpetual spinach is considerably more heat-tolerant than ordinary spinach and can withstand light frost. In regions with mild winters, it may continue producing fresh leaves long after many other vegetables have stopped growing. Its forgiving nature makes it ideal for beginners and gardeners looking for low-maintenance crops. Unlike traditional spinach, which often requires precise timing, perpetual spinach remains productive across a much longer growing window. The plant is also highly valued in permaculture systems because it consistently produces nutritious food with minimal intervention. Once established, it requires little more than occasional watering and regular harvesting. Despite its compact size, perpetual spinach can be surprisingly productive. A small group of plants is often enough to provide regular harvest for an entire household. One particularly impressive characteristic is its ability to recover after cutting. Rather than slowing down, the plant often responds by producing even more fresh foliage. This constant cycle of renewal makes it feel almost endless during the growing season. Young leaves are tender and excellent for fresh eating, while mature leaves perform beautifully in cooked dishes. Having a dependable source of greens just outside the door can dramatically increase the amount of fresh produce included in everyday meals. Simple, productive, and long-lasting, perpetual spinach is one of the easiest ways to enjoy continuous harvest from a single planting. 5. Asparagus, a lifetime investment in the garden. Few vegetables can match asparagus when it comes to long-term productivity. Planting asparagus is not simply preparing for next season, it is investing in harvests that can continue for 20, 30, or even more years. The secret to its longevity lies beneath the soil. Unlike annual vegetables that rely on shallow seasonal roots, asparagus develops deep, energy-rich crowns that store nutrients year after year. These underground reserves allow the plant to survive harsh winters, periods of drought, and changing weather conditions while returning reliably every spring. During winter, asparagus remains dormant below ground. As temperatures begin to rise, tender green spears emerge from the soil, often becoming one of the first edible harvests of the year. Their appearance signals the beginning of a new gardening season, long before many other crops are ready. Patience is essential when establishing asparagus. During the first few years, gardeners are encouraged to limit harvesting so the crowns can develop strength and store energy. Although this waiting period requires discipline, the long-term rewards are substantial. For best results, asparagus prefers full sun-rich, fertile soil. Excellent drainage. Because it can remain productive for decades, selecting a permanent location is important. Once established, asparagus does not respond well to being relocated. After the establishment period, maintenance becomes relatively simple. Occasional mulching, supplemental watering during dry periods, and cutting back dead foliage at the end of the season are usually all that is required. The payoff is impressive. Mature asparagus beds can produce generous harvests of tender spears every spring with very little ongoing work. In many cases, yields improve as plants age. Asparagus is also highly nutritious. The spears are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, while remaining low in calories. Freshly harvested asparagus often tastes sweeter and more tender than anything available in stores. Once harvesting season ends, the plants undergo a dramatic transformation. Tall, feathery foliage replaces the edible spears, creating an attractive display while gathering energy for the following year's crop. Many gardeners view asparagus as a gift to the future. A single planting can continue rewarding families for decades, making it one of the most valuable perennial vegetables available. Few crops offer such a remarkable return on a one-time investment. 6. Jerusalem artichokes, the ultimate low-maintenance root crop. Jerusalem artichokes, commonly known as sunchokes, are among the toughest perennial food plants a gardener can grow. Despite often being overlooked, they are capable of producing massive harvests year after year with almost no maintenance. As members of the sunflower family, sunchokes reveal their heritage through their appearance. During the growing season, tall leafy stems can reach heights of 6 to 10 feet. By late summer, cheerful yellow flowers bloom at the tops of the plants, giving them the appearance of miniature sunflowers. The true harvest, however, lies underground. Beneath the soil, clusters of knobby tubers develop. Their flavor is mildly sweet and nutty, often described as a cross between potatoes and water chestnuts. These versatile tubers can be roasted, boiled, steamed, stir-fried, fermented, eaten raw. One of the most remarkable features of Jerusalem artichokes is their ability to reproduce. Even a small piece of tuber left in the soil can develop into a new plant the following year. Because of this vigorous growth habit, it is wise to dedicate a specific area to them where they have room to expand. When managed properly, they remain productive without becoming problematic. Their resilience is exceptional. Sunchokes tolerate poor soil, drought, freezing temperatures, summer heat, irregular watering, general neglect. Very few edible crops can match their ability to thrive under difficult conditions. This durability makes them ideal for beginner gardeners, low-maintenance landscapes, homesteads, survival gardens. Another benefit is the large amount of biomass they produce. Their tall stems provide privacy, create windbreaks, and serve as seasonal screens while their flowers attract pollinators. Many gardeners are amazed by the volume of food a single planting can generate. Since the tubers multiply underground each year, harvests often increase over time. Jerusalem artichokes ask for very little in return for what they provide. Their ability to thrive under challenging conditions while producing abundant harvests makes them one of the most dependable perennial crops available. 7. Strawberries, the self-spreading perennial favorite. Although strawberries are often grown as annual crops on commercial farms, they behave quite differently in home gardens. Once planted, they function as productive perennials that return year after year while naturally expanding their growing area. Their ability to spread comes from runners, long stems that extend outward from mature plants. At the end of each runner, a new strawberry plant develops. When it touches the soil, it forms roots and establishes itself as an independent plant. As this process repeats season after season, a small planting gradually transforms into a thriving patch. This natural cycle keeps strawberry beds productive. Older plants eventually lose vigor, but younger plants continually replace them, allowing the patch to renew itself without significant intervention. Basic care usually includes watering during dry periods, mulching for winter protection, removing dead foliage in spring. The reward is one of the most beloved fruits in the garden. Fresh strawberries picked directly from the plant are often sweeter, juicier, and more flavorful than store-bought berries because they can ripen fully before harvest. The fruit can be enjoyed in many ways: fresh eating smoothies, homemade jams, desserts, breakfast dishes. Frozen storage gardeners typically choose between two main types. June. Bearing strawberries produce one large harvest during early summer and are excellent for preserving. Ever-bearing strawberries produce smaller but continuous harvests throughout the season. Many gardeners grow both types to enjoy large harvests as well as steady production. Strawberries are also highly adaptable and perform well in raised beds, containers, hanging baskets, vertical planters, traditional garden rows. As long as they received sunlight and proper drainage, they generally thrive. Over time, a strawberry patch becomes a dense carpet of green foliage, white blossoms, and bright red fruit that returns every year. The flowers add ornamental value before fruiting begins, attracting pollinators and bringing beauty to the garden. Watching tiny green berries gradually ripen into vibrant red fruit is one of the most rewarding experiences for gardeners. Unlike many fruit crops that require years to mature, strawberries often provide harvests relatively quickly, making them especially appealing to beginners. Perhaps their greatest strength is their self-sustaining nature. Once established, strawberries continue spreading, renewing themselves, and producing sweet harvests season after season with very little effort.